coming up.
Okay. So this will be taken out.
Also, we have this adapter. Can connect that here. Yeah, tape it, then put it this way.
So we're looking at our roastery machine. Yeah, this is just a sample, but the one that is coming definitely is going to be having all these functions. Yeah, this is a sample machine. And please just come to Jex Barista Training Institute and train with us. Welcome. The team is right here. Yeah, doing its best.
Yeah, we are trying to get for you the big thing, so just get ready this one. Yeah.
All right, Jex Barista Training Institute, Dubai Al Baraha, Almaya Supermarket, first floor, office 111, training specialty baristas and roasters. Here we are for the roastery program.
Yeah, don't miss out, man. Our guys just know the new baby is coming at home. Don't worry. Within 1 week or 5 days, it will be there. It's Barista Institute. So,
Amen. Amen. With all the programs there. Hey.
Kali modified banayo kuba umusajja katu advertise tugule. So don't miss out, guys. Come and enjoy.
It has all the functions. Yeah, everything you're going to learn as a roaster. All right, Jex Barista Training Institute for you. So we are looking at how it works. Okay. So this is what you're recommending.
So as in what's
as
the
we're
name
like
of,
teaching.
so what's the name of the software they are using? The name of the software they are using.
This is our machine. We are looking at several of them, and finally we'll come out with the best for you. Come to Jex Barista Training Institute and train with us, guys. Yeah, this is a team that is here to close the deal of machine purchasing. Come to Jex Barista Training Institute. Yeah. So with this machine, we're being told it has an inbuilt system, that you use when operating it. And there's a community that helps with issues to do with consultations and all that. So the trainer plus the consultations we get from the community are able to support our students. Welcome to Jex Barista Training Institute.
2 years warranty.
Okay.
We are also the main distributor, and also the technician. Something happened? Yeah.
There is a technician for you.
Okay.
The other beautiful thing I've loved about it is the community that is full of professionals, experienced individuals.
Even the new beginner, they're sharing their knowledge.
This is the machine, guys. Yeah, we are seeing a variety of them and doing a consultation so we can be able to bring you the best.
Buying this one. We're selling an adapter. Yeah. You can connect it, then buy it like a flexible hose. Yeah. Where the smoke will going out. You can do that also.
For the fumes and all that, you connect to it and take out?
Yeah. We have the connector, like adapter.
Okay. So this is it. We are at Modomi, checking out the roastery machines. Yeah, so we can bring you the best. Just come register, be ready for your training.
This one connected you to your flexible hose. And this one is your fan. This one is for the cooling fan. So it will cooling and connect.
Okay.
But sometimes most of the clients put the flexible hose, put the ducting picture or like that. Okay. It's depending. For example, if you have like exhaust here, just leave it like that. Then turn on your exhaust.
It's the team at Jex Barista Training Institute. Mubalabye. Mubalabye. Yeah? Buli wano mukola ki?
Taking that new baby in the industry. So
Yeah. Uyo. Gwe musiimye oba tutwala oli omulala? Musiimye ani? Musiimye ono? Bannange wa Brew nga Jex mumuganye? Ono yasinga. So you're hearing it for yourselves. Twagala okubaleetera ekisinga. We want to bring you the best machine, one that will offer you the service. You that wants to be a roaster, come to Jex Barista Training Institute, attend your training. Your trainer is right here with us. Yeah, we want to buy a machine that is going to do the service for you.
yes.
Welcome to Jex Barista Training Institute, and let's see how best we can grow our skills and get better jobs. Welcome.
Yeah, so that at least you can visit our website.
Thank you guys. Just come and train with
Thank you so
me.
much.
Yeah. I'm going to be there personally. Don't miss out. The new baby is coming soon, so just get prepared. Barista Kevin in the building. Ate mumanchende.
Checho.
It's always good. The missing out.
Yes, we just want the best for you.
Yeah.
Every expatriate in the UAE should get to a better job, a better pay, better working conditions. This is our goal.
Yes, please.
Great.
Don't miss out. Come all. Moje Mohonji. I sign out. Barista Kevin.
Mujje musome.